Where are we putting water?
Into here. It might be this one. Yeah. Break it, break it, break it, break it. Oh, let me get her shoes on.
Bam, 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 boom! Bam, 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 bam. Blind bags!
This is Boom and Betty opening that Blume over there, and I will open it. Good. Can you count? Yeah. Wait, I did it. Wait, Betty, these are the instructions. Oh, look, these are all the blooms. So, remove pink label. Oh! Stickers! Fill with water. Oh my god! Look! 2 blooms! It says fill this with water. Yeah!
I feel like they didn't give us all the pieces. Yeah, that's totally water repellent.
It's popping through. Mom, it's popping through! I'm holding the stickers. And this might be its house. It's ripping a little, so that means the balloon is coming out. Could we rip it?
No, you're gonna wait for it.
Oh! Yep. Oh, it's growing more! That was a lot. Oh my god. So that is how big they are? It's seriously how big they are, and
Don't touch it.
wait for it.
Spray it again.
It's a rainbow. It feels fluffy. It feels fluffy too. Wait for it to soak in.
No, it's still growing.
It's growing. It's growing. It's growing. It feels it's like a real. It's breaking. Does that mean it's a girl? One more spray. Oh, let me spray now. Right over here. There. Oh god, that's gold. Oh my god, I think that's why it's gold. It's like some rainbow one. It might be this one. Yeah, it's this one. It's this one. This one. Let me see its name. Sky. It comes with tiny pets. It comes with tiny. Get it out of here. Oh my god! And now, where do we push? Where do we push? Where do we push? Okay. Her hair is squishy. Oh wait, here. We push. Her hair is squishy. We push and pull here. Her hair is actually. Break it, break it, break it, break it. Ah! There's a. Wait. Oh, it's accessories. Oh! Now we might need to open. Shoes. Now shoes. Shoes. I'm pretty sure this is the pet. Okay, this is her clothes. No, I mean show them. And a raindrop is the little pet. It's so cute. So cute. So okay, I'm going to dress her up now. Then we got a super rare one. So we got it the super rare one. I can't get her clothes on. Wait, she has a glittery bow on her tutu. And a raindrop? That's her pet. What the? Yeah. Rainy? Little rainy or something like that? Ew, this feels wet. Yeah, because it is wet. Yeah. This might be her little house. Oh, let me get her shoes on. I need to be upside down. So is she coming? Did the balloon come clocks in the set. A ticking clock and a circle clock, like we have.
Yeah, babe. Oh my God, her pet is like has a unicorn on its head. These are all the adorables.
These are all the doorables.
Adorable. Oh, I just found the function. This is how it gets out.
Put it back down.
Did you think it was gonna pop up this fast?
No, I thought it. Zoop.
I thought it was supposed to take like forever.
And you predicted the future. And I thought you were supposed to like it could open it up, find the seed, get the seed. You put seed in the magic dirt, aka not magic dirt. It's like some weird material, and then you sprinkle water and.
So it should be more like
And
a.
then the entire bloom comes out. And these are some of my real plants.
Okay, I'm gonna peel.
I believe this is an avocado and this I forget.
It's also an avocado. It's grown bigger than the other one.
Oh my God, that's such a big avocado.
I thought that they were
It's a
gonna.
baby avocado tree.
Did you think that the
Okay.
bloom was gonna be like this, where you
Alright.
take a big seed and you make it into
Yeah.
something bigger?
I just want to do something.
Okay.
Let's spray this.
What? Blume, why did you spread it?
Because it needs to be a full-grown avocado tree and burst through our roof.
Blume, this rainbow comes with a sheesh. A star. I'm gonna put it right.
But this is actually where she popped out from. That boop.
Yep.
It took us so long to do it.
Did
Yeah.
it? I thought it took like 10 seconds.
It felt
Wait,
like a minute or something. A choke out.
could you put this? Oh, I got her shoe on.
I'm gonna show Cal's a little pet. This is the pet, Cal.
And this is the bloom.
This is the pet. Yeah. We named it Little Rainy. Because it's raindrop.
Cow, the bloom comes with little shoes and then cute. Okay.
This is so fluffy. This is so fluffy.
I thought this rainbow comes with
And
a
I guess we
butterfly.
put it on his back.
No.
Let's put it right here. Because then it'll look like there's an actual butterfly flying around.
There. I'm all finished decorating the house.
Okay, I'll hold
Ta-da!
today. Bye. From Blume's Blank Pets.
Rawr! That's a girl protection.